Move your arm. Move your arm. Move that arm. See how I have to protect him. Jump, move your arm. Shouldn't go. Missed it. Right. Pull up two. Take two. Oh, you lazy. Jimbo. I think that will be fine. Just keep Jimbo. Just stand on Jimbo.
The quality is so good.
You zoom me out. Zoom all the way in. Zoom all the way in. Can you zoom all the way
I forgot to ask him, do we have their consent? Rebecca, do we have your consent? Do we have your consent? You're in 6th grade and you don't know what that means? Like, can we record you? Can we record you?
No.
You sure? No. You really sure? Alright. Jack. She didn't give me my consent. I'm still gonna upload the video. Hey, Jimbo. Ah! Jack, I'm gonna make Jimbo on my hoop. That's the point.
Go as hard as you can.
His hard hack protected him. Did you make it?
Yeah. What do you do?
Don't know. I'm still recording, by the way.
You go about lights.
No.
Motorcycle man. G.
No. I also have this lit skateboard. I don't know why it's here, but it's here. It won't move, so You're so lucky that I didn't hit you on the back of the head. It hit your shoulder.
It wasn't even all the way to jump. You're funny.
No. Go away. I think we should just record this.
That might be motorcycle man.
Okay.
Do you have to have the cap on it to what?
I don't know. I don't know if my bike tire's flat or not. Yeah, motorcycle man. You have to write it.
Which way do we go? That one?
I don't know.
On my knees. Yeah, John Knoxville from Jack. Motorcycle man. You ready? Tell me.
I am. Dang, I've been recording for 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hopefully I don't break my back, but
Jack! They're out in the field. Yeah. I don't know if that's Sadie or who. I think that's Sadie's mom. Over there. What are we doing?
pull-ups.
Go red. Look at their house. Yeah. What?
What will you now?
Motorcycle review. Interview. Jack, we need an interview. And we're interviewing you.
Okay, hold on with you.
Campfire?
Yeah.
Alright. In the barn?
Set up the camera so you can see both of us. That's it from there. Yeah, this one's gonna be able to see us. Put it upside down. Put it on the side, actually.
I don't know if that works.
No, just look up there.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah, just film me. Ask me a question.
Alright, how's the motorcycle?
I think the tires are a wee bit flat. Yeah, so yeah, it's too low. Now you got them tires pumped up. So yeah.
Are you good at basketball?
Uh-huh. I beat him 21-12 earlier and the 20-21.
Yeah.
Beat him twice.
How old are you?
Huh?
No. Alright. Do you have a golf cart with you?
The battery's dead.
Yeah. How high is Becca?
Planes right here. God's right here. She's like,
They're playing baseball. Woo!
recording on it like it's.
Like whenever I zoom in, the quality just gets so bad. Like she's just pixels.
Let me see. Let me see if I'm. You can't hold it. You have to hold it horizontal.
You can't see him, just letting you know.
You can only see what's in the back there.
Alright, let's go. Freaking parallel view here.
What?
I don't know. Alright, let's go record some more epic stuff. Let's go to my mini gate. My neighbor's yard. Let's go look at their pool. With consent, by the way. Finger's definitely not covering what we think. Look! Hey. Give a review on the treehouse. I don't really know where we're going, but there's a where? Where? Oh. Also, let me show them my pool real quick, bro. Yeah. Hey, pool green. Let's go. fell. Bro, child.
Okay, the interviewer gets interviewed, so I get the interview now.
Oh. Where's Jimbo? Where's Jimbo? Where's Jimbo? No, we have to go on a hunt for Jimbo.
Jimbo. Yeah, I see him.
Where?
Over there, by the skateboard.
Oh. Hey, you almost forgot about you, Jimbo. We almost forgot about Jimbo. Most important.
Hey, I have a list of questions here, okay?
There's probably like a grocery list my mom wrote down. Here, you have to record it.
Okay. So, first question for you. How does it feel to be an interviewer?
Pretty lit.
Okay. How does it feel to have Jimbo by your side?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, it gets pixelated whenever you zoom in.
I know, that's just you start zooming into me.
Okay, what do you do on a daily basis?
Play Fortnite.
And what else?
Basketball.
Okay. When do you play basketball?
Afternoon.
What school do you go to?
GCIS.
What does GCIS mean?
I know you're zooming in on me. Ask me another question.
How old are you?
Oh, Green County Intermediate School. I'm smart.
How old are you?
10.
How many years have you been alive?
9.
Do you live with your mom or your dad?
Mom.
Who do you stay with the most?
Mom.
Who do you love the most? Exposed! You're exposed! Okay, what team do you play for basketball?
Deacons.
What does Deacons mean?
I don't know.
Dickens? Okay,
I'm trying to keep this family going. Definitely.
how high is the outcome?
God's right here. He's all about that ceiling fan right there.
That's pretty tough. How mature would you like? What age do you think you're, like, in your mind?
2.
How many wins did you get on Fortnite?
Jack, I need to ask you a question. I am the interview man. Bro, chill out. All right. Do you like Jimbo?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, you like Jimbo. All right. I think the interview is done here. I don't know if the interview is done or not. I mean, we got some. Got that. Got that. Also got that.
Okay, that's the end of this video. We'll see you guys later. Say the outro. Outro.